What's up everybody, Brent from Brent Speed. Today's awesome because it's Friday and one of my all-time favorite vehicles, GT350. Here's a 2016 running 93 octane. We installed a Whipple Supercharger. And hey, if you love GT350s and you love 350 videos, I will put a link at the end so you can see a lot of other 350s getting Whipple Supercharged and some we built NA. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. We are going to watch a dyno pull. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. Alright, I just love GT350s. If you watch my videos, you know that. Doug, come down, take a look before we watch that dyno pull. It's the Gen 5 Whipple. You get the big 132 throttle body. It's an intercooled supercharger. Easy way to add way over 200 horsepower to one of these cars. We just didn't install this right here. It did get what we call our standard recipe, so billet oil pump gears, the big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit. You know I love cooling mods. You know, on a high compression engine like this, adding that much power, you want to do some cooling, but this is going to be a sick ride running 93 octane. It's the Whipple calibration. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before we check out the numbers, a couple things. Don't forget, in that description, I'll put a link to the supercharger. We do stock these here at Brent Speed, so we can ship it right to your door. Or you can email quote@brentspeed.com and say what's it cost to get installed to make an appointment. But Doug, check this out. Dynojet SAE, 756 roll horsepower, peaking right below 8,000 RPM. Torque comes in awesome, 582, peaking at 5,500. And right when we go wide open throttle, we're well over 450 torque, and then just climbs across the board. You know, these cars stock make less than 500 roll horsepower. You add the Whipple, we're up over 750. That's a really good place to be. So if you have any questions, please leave that comment. Happy to answer. Don't forget description. You're going to read a lot more about it. And we do carry these superchargers here at Brent Speed. We're located in Indiana. Thanks for watching.